you how to make a citation for AI generated information. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the title of your project to open it. And then you're going to click on New Source. You will choose Website, and then you'll see the second option down is AI response/output. So click on that. And you see your form just the way you do with all of the NoodleTools citation options. I'm going to squish my screen over so we can see the text I generated. So the first thing that NoodleTools is asking for is the URL. So I'm going to go over and copy that and paste it. The next thing they want is the date of the AI response. So I did this on October 11th, 2024. The next question is the prompt. So on Gemini, the prompt is right up above here. So I'm going to copy that and paste it. You'll notice that Gemini did not give us citations in the correct format, just links. Just a reminder that AI is not perfect. All right, then they want to know the name of the AI tool. So this was Gemini, and that is published by Microsoft, by Google. All right, the next thing to do is the AI tool version number or date. And some of these products will tell you that right on the page. If not, you can try typing in the prompt, tell me what version number you are. And Gemini tells us it's Gemini 1.5 Flash. So I'm going to put that in. Okay. And that's all I need, so I'm going to hit save, and you will see the citation there. And the nice thing about NoodleTools in general is anytime you cite a website, you have this little link here to go to the live web page. It'll take you right back to the website. And that's particularly helpful with an AI response. It changes every single time you put it in. So you want to see, if you want to see the original, then you just click on this View Live web page. And there is the information that you got. All right, well, that's how you do it. Have fun.